Hi students, in the last class we discussed how to find the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data by using the simple method, that is sum of all observations by number of observations, or the formula is x bar is equal sigma fi xi by sigma fi. This is the formula for to find a arithmetic mean of ungrouped data by using simple method. This method is useful when the observations or frequencies are given smallest numbers, then we can use that simple method to find the arithmetic mean. But sometimes in 10th class they will give some largest numbers, the frequency is also very largest number. At the time we have to use this deviation method. What is the formula for deviation method? So to find the arithmetic mean, the formula for deviation method is the formula of deviation method to find a mean is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. This is the formula to find the arithmetic mean by deviation method. In this formula, A is indicating assumed mean. This we can choose from the class. A is we can choose from the middle classes which they are given xi values. Fi is given the frequencies. D is deviation. So deviation formula is xi minus a. Di is equal to xi minus a. This is the formula for deviation. Sigma is indicating sum. See, when we have to use this formula, when they are giving the very largest numbers in the problems, we have to use this deviation method to find a arithmetic mean. Now I am taking one problem here. X values are given 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Then frequencies are given 4, 5, 8, 10, 7, 4 and 2. Now I am going to find the arithmetic mean of given the data. See, first we have to make one vertical table of according to given the data xi, fi, di, fi into di. See, xi values are given in 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. 16, 18, 20, 22. Fi is given 4, 5, 8, 10, 7, 4, 2. 4, 5, 8, 10, 7, 4, 2. Now how to find the first deviation? Before that we have to select the a value, that is assumed mean. That a value we have to select from the given the xi values. Given the xi values, the mostly we have to take middle value of the xi, that is indicating assumed mean. So we can take 14 or 16. If you take 14 also no problem. If you take 16 also a value, then we can get the same answer. So these are the two middle values, no, otherwise 18 and 16, from 18 or 16 also we can choose that a value. So I am going to take this 16 is the assumed mean. 16 is the assumed mean. Now what is the formula for deviation? di is equal to xi minus a. So first deviation value is, first xi value is 10, then assumed mean we have taken from the xi values is 16, 10 minus 16 is minus 6. So first deviation value is minus 6. Then second deviation value same, 12 minus 16 it will be get. So that is very long process. The shortcut method is there. First we have to observe what is the difference between the xi values 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So the difference is there between any two x values is 2. So just we have to add this difference to the first deviation value, then we can get the next deviation value. It's mean minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, minus 4 plus 2 minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 0, 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is the shortcut method. While adding the difference to the previous deviation value, then we can get all the deviation values. The next column fi into di, that is 4 into minus 6 minus 24, 5 into minus 4 minus 20, 8 into minus 2 minus 16, 10 into 0, 0, 8 into 2, 14, 4 4s are 16, 2 6 are 12. Next, in the formula a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi, by adding all the frequencies we can get sigma fi value. This is sigma fi di 9, 17, 27, 34, 38, 40. Sigma fi is 40. See, minus 24, minus 20, minus 16. First we have to take these three values, negative numbers. It is getting minus 44, minus 50, minus 60, 30, 42. 8. So sigma fi di value is 18, 30, 42. Sum of 3 negative, minus 60, minus 60 plus 42 is minus 18. Sorry. So sigma fi di value is minus 18. X bar is equal, now substitute the values. A is 16 plus sigma fi di is minus 18, sigma fi value is 40. See, x bar is equal 16 plus 2 9s are 2 20s are minus 9 by 20. 9 is divided by 20, 0.0, 24 is 80, 10, 0, 25 is 100. So x bar is equal 16 plus of minus 9 by 20 is equal minus 0.45. X bar is equal plus into minus minus 0.45. X bar is equal 5, 15.55 is the arithmetic mean of given the observations. So this is short method to find the arithmetic mean, that is called step deviation method. Just we have to select the assumed mean, that is very important. Then deviation values we can get by adding the difference of the mid values. The next sigma fi means all sum of the all frequencies, sigma fida means sum of the all fida values.